Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And if this looks like a repeat video, it's not. It's oh my God, she got 3 more. The last 3 Zuru babies that I have bought, I was lucky enough to get the boxes. So I got 3 for $9.97. Let's open and see what we have here. And you're saying, well, what are you going to do with all those in the little container? I'm a doll collector. I collect them. I'm going to hang on to them. Let's see if my thumbnail can pull this open all the way. I hate tearing up my nails, but I don't want to dally too long while you're watching. All right, here we go. Got that one. Got that. I save these balls and do crafts with them. I've made beds out of them and some other things. You can see those on my Zuru playlist on my channel. And I really appreciate anybody who watches my videos. Ready? Mm-hmm. Pop. I knew I didn't get twins. It was the last one in there, so you knew it was lightweight. I just hope I don't get too many repeats, although I don't care, I really like them. Here's what you can get. I call this the look what you didn't get list. These are to entice you to buy yet another ball with a surprise baby in it. Oh, to get these twins. I have several of these. I have this set. I think I might have this set times 2. I don't think I have this set. I have most of the other. But let's open, oh, this is going to be the scale.
Not too many pools, so.
So I'm not, no, one I think. That is the scale, so I'm not even going to open it. I'll show you what it's like. It's just this cute little scale. If you look in my playlist, you'll see those. I want to know what baby I got. I love these. Oh, the redhead, my favorite. Absolutely love, love, love these babies. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Make sure you are still subscribed. And if you're not, and if you never have, please subscribe to my channel.